नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् जितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावन नमस्तेस्तु हृषीकेश महापुरुष पूर्वज सदक्षरं ब्रह्म य ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मि सृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यादिजगत्प्रपञ्चसूः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः उदितो वर्धमानाभिः आमध्यान्नात् तपन् रविः ततः परं ह्रसन्तीभिः गोभिः अस्तन्नियच्छति उदयास्तमनाभ्याञ्च स्मृते पूर्वापरे दिशौ यावत् पुरस्तात्तपति तावत् पृष्ठे च पार्श्वयोः ऋतेमरगिरेर्मेरोः उपरि ब्रह्मणः सभां ये मरीचयो अर्कस्य प्रयान्ति ब्रह्मणः सभां ते निरस्ताः तद्भासा प्रतीपम् उपयान्ति वै. So we are in the description of the sun god. So Surya se astamanam kidrisham vartate udayaha tu kidrishaha iti. There is no concept of Suryodaya or Surya astamanam. Is the concept is there only in the jana perception. So as the rays of the sun increase, the rays of the sun increase or seem to increase, it is perceived to be increasing when during the morning time until the afternoon, and then it seems to collapse into itself or shrink. Harasanti udaya astamanabhyam purva aparo. Because of this, wherever we see the sun that first in the morning, that direction is called purva or east, and apara. The concept of purva apara also is dependent on the udaya astamanam, Suryodaya and Surya astamanam. The rays of the sun travel up to Brahmanaha Sabha, Brahma Sabha in Satyalokam. Until then it can travel, and then it is sort of reflected and Pratipam Gachanti. Pratipam is they return back in a reverse fashion. So they come back. Those rays which travel up to the Brahmanaha Sabha, they come back because Nirastaha Tadbhasa. तस्माद् दिशि उत्तरस्यां वै दिवारात्रिः सदैव हि सर्वेषां द्वीपवर्षाणां मेरोः उत्तरतः यतः. This is a little complicated to understand, so I have taken what Sridhara Swami has tried to give. सर्वेषां द्वीपवर्षाणां उत्तरतः यतः मेरुः वर्तते. यतः यस्मात् कारणात्, because of the reason that Meru mountain, so सूर्यस्तु तत्र मेरु पर्वतं प्रदक्षिणीकृत्य एव आगच्छति इति वर्तते. So it is doing a pradakshanam for Meru Parvata, and Meru Parvata is in the northernmost section beyond all of the Dvipa and Varsha. That is all the islands and the Varshas that we read in the earlier chapters. So Sarvesham Dvipa Varshanam Uttarataha, to the north of all of these islands and regions, Meruhu Yasmat Vartate, because of the reason that Meru is present in the northernmost section. Tasmad Uttarasyam Vai, Tasmat, because of that reason, Uttarasyam Dishi Diva Ratrihi Sadaiva Hi. So in the north you will find that Diva and Ratri are always present. That is, Diva is present towards the Meru side, and towards the Lokaloka Parvatam you have the Ratri. That is one description. So I'll go over Sridhara Swami's Vyakhyanam here. Merum Pradakshini Kurvantam Suryam Ye Yatra Pashyanti Sa Tesham Prachi. Surya is constantly doing Pradakshanam around Meru. So wherever the people see the sun, that direction is called Prachi. Tesham Vamabhage eva Meruhu. So when we face east and open our arms, the right side is south and left side is north. Yeah. So Tesham Vamabhage. So when you face the sun, that direction is Prachi, east. Tesham Vamabhage eva Meruhu Vartate. So on the left side would be Meru mountain. That is, it is on the north. Ataha sarvesham sarvada meruhu uttare eva. So wherever we see, apparently Meru is supposed to be only in the north. Dakshina bhage cha lokaloka achalaha. Dakshina bhage, in the south you have the Lokaloka Parvata. Tasmad uttarasyam dishi sada ratrihi, dakshinasyam dishi sada dinam. Because the sun has crossed the Meru mountain and come to the east, the sun shines further towards the forward side, which is dakshinam, that is, sorry, lokaloka parvate sarvada dakshinasyam dishi tu dinam vartate. And then here on the uttarasyam dishi, beyond the Meru mountain, beyond that Meru mountain, you will have ratri. In front of the Meru mountain, it is diva. Okay, यद्वा और भारतादि वर्षस्थानां सम्मुखे सूर्यं उद्यन्तं पश्यताम् उत्तरस्यां दिशि वामभागे मेरोः एकतः सदा दिनम् अन्यतः सदा रात्रिः. Bharatavarshe, when we are all standing in Bharatavarsha and the sun is rising in front of us, then Meru exists on the north. Everything that is on one side of Meru has dinam. Anyataha, the other side of Meru, it is always ratri. Dakshina bhagecha sada dinameva. On the south, there is always dinam. This is how they have picturized the whole thing. So, tasmad dishi uttarasyam vai divaratrihi sadaivahi sarvesham dvipavarshanam meruhu uttarataha yataha. प्रभा विवस्वतो रात्रौ अस्तंगच्छति भास्करे विशति अग्निम अतः रात्रौ वह्निः दूरात् प्रकाशते. विवस्वतः प्रभा भास्करे अस्तं गच्छति सति रात्रौ, during night time, when the भास्करे अस्तं गच्छति सति, when the sun sets. विवस्वतः प्रभा, the light of Vivaswan, which is Surya, agnim vishati, it enters into Agni. Ataha, because of that reason, Ratrau, during night, Vannihi Durat Prakashate, there seems to be some light in the horizon at some point somewhere. So there is a Jyotis that is there. Sridhar Swami gives certain references to the Shruti Vakyam, which is in support of this. अग्निम ज्योतिः ज्योतिरग्निः स्वाहा इति सायं होतव्यं सूर्यो ज्योतिः ज्योतिः सूर्यः इति प्रातः. सो अग्निः एव ज्योतिः रात्रौ, सूर्यः एव ज्योतिः प्रातः काले. तस्मात् सूर्यस्य ज्योतिः तु तत्र अग्निं विशति प्रविशति इत्युक्तम्. So during night it is only Agni which is the Jyotis. There is no sun there. Take it as an Amavasya Ratri where there is no Chandra also. Then Kim Jyotihi Tatra iti Upanishad Anusarena. As we see in the Upanishads, what is the Jyotis during the day? It is the sun. What is the Jyotis during night? It is the moon. Amavasya Dinam, and it is night. So what is the Jyotihi? Kim Jyotihi? Agnireva Jyotihi. So the light of the sun goes and exists in the Agni. In the Taittiriya Samhita also, Agnimva Adityaha Sayam Pravishati Ityuktam. So even in the Taittiriya Samhita, you find this reference that the Surya enters into Agni during night. That is why Vannihi Durat Prakashate. It seems as if the Agni is shining from a distance. वन्नेः पादः तथा भान्तं दिनेषु आविशति द्विज अतीव वह्निसंयोगात् अतः सूर्यप्रकाशते. वन्नेः पादः तथा भान्तं दिनेषु आविशति. हे द्विज, दिनेषु ड्यूरिंग द डे, वह्नेः पादः, 1/4 of that Agni. The sun has gone in. It is only 1/4 of it that is coming out as the sun here. Bhantam. Bhantam dineshu, during the daytime, whatever is bhantam vishati. Vannehe padaha eva bhant. There should be some other reading here. Sure. Vannehe Prabha. இருக்கா
பிரபான் கீதா பிரஷ்ல உன்னே பிரபா ததா பானு
ததா பானு அது இன்னும் பெட்டரா இருக்கு. ஓகே,
தினேஷ் பா விசதி ரிசல்ட்.
ஆனா ஸ்ரீதர சுவாமி takes it as vannev padaha. Only 1/4 of the light of Agni enters into Surya. So dineshu avishati. Bhantam tam suryam nu eduthukanum. Okay. That makes more sense. So, Vannev Padaha, bhantam tam suryam dineshu avishati. During the day, a fourth of the Agni, only 1/4 of that entire Agni, you have to imagine the Agni Stamba of Shiva, which is the source of every light. So, அந்த மாதிரி இங்கே சொல்றார். So, Vannev Padaha, Kevalam, there is only 1/4 of Vanni which enters into Surya during the day. Ativa Vanni Samyogat, because of that extreme connection with Vanni, Ataha Suryaha Prakashate, it is because of that Surya is Prakashate, it is shining. Tejasi Bhaskara Agneye Prakasha Ushna Swarupini. Paraspara Anupraveshat Apyayete Divanisham. Diva and Nisham, both during day and night, apyayete. This entire world is filled with light of some sort. Either it is Bhaskara Tejas or it is Agneya Tejas. Bhaskara Tejas is the light which is belongs to Surya. Agneya Tejas is that which belongs to Agni. So Bhaskara Agneye Tejasi, the light of both Surya and Agni are of the form of Prakasha and Ushna. Prakasha, Ushna, Swarupini. They both have light and Ushnam. They have heat also. This the specific reason for only 1/4 of Vannehe Padaha eva tatra Suryam pravishati ityatra tasmadeva prakashakatvam vartate, but it does not burn the entire world. There is only, it provides light and just enough Ushnatvam for people to live. That's all. So Prakasha, Ushna, Swarupini, it is of the form of both light and Ushnam. All of these are in Napunsakalinga here. Bhaskaram Agneyam cha Bhaskara Agneye. Tejaha Tejasi. Adukapra Rupini. This is also in dual Napunsakalingam. Paraspara Anupraveshat, because one enters into each other and there is a mixture of both Surya and Agni. Divanisham Apyayate, both day and night are possible. Apyayati is flooding, Vyapnavati iti. The possibility of Utpatti, Sambhavaha Bhavati. Tejasi Bhaskara Agneye Prakasha Ushna Swarupini Paraspara Anupraveshat Apyayete Divanisham. Dakshina Uttara Bhumyardhe Samuttisthati Bhaskare Ahoratram Vishatyambhaha Tamah Prakashya Sheelavat. Tamaha Prakashya Sheelavat Tamaha. Tamas, which has the Sheelam, which has the quality of Prakashyam. It has the quality of being very Prakasha Yuktam. Abdingarar. Tamaf Prakasha, not just the Prakasham of Surya or Agni, but there is a brightness that is there for the not brightness சொல்ல முடியாது. அது எப்படி சொல்றது? ஒரு இது மாதிரி இருக்கு. தமஸ்னுடைய ஒளி அப்படி எடுத்துப்போம். Tamas, the light of darkness which is there, you know, we perceive darkness because of something. Because of its presence. Let's say the presence of that darkness, it goes into the water during night. Dakshina Uttara Bhumi Ardhe Samuttishtati Bhaskare. When Bhaskara, that is when the sun stands on both the Meroho Dakshina Bhage, Meroho Uttara Bhage cha Yada Suryaha Prakashate. So when he takes his turn around Meru, either in the Dakshina portion or in the Uttara portion, Samuttishtati Sati, when this happens, what happens to this Andhakaramaya Ratri and the Prakashya Sheelavat Tamas? This Ahoratram Vishati Ambaha. One goes into the water. That is Samudradeva Tatra Suryasya Udayaha iti Karanat Tamaha Kutra Pravishati iti Chet Tamaha tu Ambasi Pravishati ityeva Tatra Arthaha. Okay. When the sun rises, where does the Andhakaram goes? It goes into the water. That is why during the day Atambrahi Bhavati Apaha Diva Nakta Praveshanat Dinam Vishati Chaiva Ambaha Bhaskare Astam Upeyushi Tasmat Shukla Bhavanti Apaha Naktam Annaf Praveshanat. The day goes into the waters when there is night. When there is day, the night, the darkness goes into the water. So the water has a different color than what is there in the sky. Okay? Nakta praveshanat, because the night time goes into the waters. During day, diva, apaha, atamra, they are very reddish in color because the redness of the night has gone into the water. Nakta praveshanat, because of the entering of night into the water. Apaha, waters, are atamraha, they are very reddish in color, copper kind of color. Dinam vishati chaiva ambaha, bhaskare astam upeyushi. When bhaskare astam upeyushi sati, when the sun is going to set, the day goes into the water. Tasmat, because of that, during night time, shuklaha apaha bhavanti. Annaf praveshanat, naktam, because of the day entering into the water, naktam, the night time, during night, ratrau, apaha shuklaha, the water seems to be very white there. The scientific reasons are there, but this is the picturization in the mind that we have. So, atamrahi bhavatyapo diva nakta praveshanat dinam vishati chaivambhaha bhaskare astam upeyushi tasmat shukla bhavantyapo naktam annaf praveshanat. Evam pushkara madhyena yada yati divakaraha trimshad bhagastu medinyaha tada mauhurtiki gatihi. There are two gatis for the sun. Mauhurtiki gatihi is that wherein 1/30th of the earth's circumference is covered by the sun. Pushkara madhyena, going through the Pushkara Dvipa, yada divakaraha medinyaha trimshad bhagaha yati tada mauhurtiki gatihi. That is called mauhurtiki gati. That is muhurtam is usually solra oru muhurta kalam. That kala nirnayam also happens because of how much of the surface he covers during how much time. So that is called mauhurtiki gati. 1/3 of the earth's circumference is covered. So that section is called muhurta. Kulala chakra paryante brahman esha divakaraha karoti ahaha tadha ratrim vimunchan medinim dvijaha. Medinim dvija iti bhavitavyam. He dvija, kulala chakra paryante. Now this mauhurtiki gati is during Uttarayana. After, during Dakshinayana, it becomes the Vishuvati gati. It is a little slower. So now, the Uttarayanathla da faster irukum nanikkaren. Illa Uttarayanathla slower irukum. Ama. Kulala chakra paryante brahmanna eshaha divakaraha. Eshaha divakaraha. So imagine there is a potter's wheel. In the potter's wheel, the corner is always faster than the middle. No, in the playground, there is something or ratnam madri irukum. When you are closer to the stambam, you are actually slower. It seems slower, but when you are outside in the circumference, you seem to go faster. And there are these things which go around you stand. If you are standing closer to this thing, you won't feel the chakkar so much. If you are standing outside near the circumference, then you will. It will be faster. So, kulala chakra paryante brahmanna eshaha divakaraha ahaha karoti tatha ratrim cha karoti medinim vimunchan. This is not like relay race. This is not like that. I am talking about one round thing. Adavadhu kids will stand in that and then they will go in that. Okay.
merry-go-round
merry-go-round மாதிரி இருக்கிறது அதுல தான். ஆனா இது வந்து என்னன்னா ஒரு பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் மாதிரி இருக்கும். Platforms will be attached to the middle stambam, and if you are standing it's actually safer to stand in the middle stambam because you won't feel the fainting so much. அதுதான். Of course in a path around அந்த இதெல்லாம் running race எல்லாம் இருக்கறச்சு, the one closest to the circumference is always one closest to the center is always shorter distance than the one outside in the circumference. Adu vera. So kulala chakra paryante divakaraha brahman, as he is moving around in the corner of the of a wheel, like how you move in a corner of the wheel and the circumference. Ahaha ratrim cha karoti, medinim munchanna ratrim karoti. When he leaves the earth and goes, then he makes this earth into a ratri, or he makes into an ahaha. When he is going around, ahaha karoti, he creates the day. Vimunchanna, when he leaves and goes underneath, then that, he creates the earth, he creates ratrim, the night for the earth. Ayanasya uttarasya adav. Ipo Rashi Nirnaya. Ayanasya uttarasya adav makaram yati bhaskaraha. Idanimeva makara sankrantihi asit. So which means sankranti nale, it is the movement of the sun from one Rashi to another Rashi. So Uttarayane, the entire year is divided into two ayanam. One is Uttarayanam, the other is Dakshinayanam. In Uttarayana, beginning of Uttarayana is indicated by Surya moving into Makaram. So Makaram Yati, he gets into Makar Rashi. Tataha Kumbham, the next one is Kumbha. Cha Meenam cha, then he moves on to Meenam. Each one has 30 days there. So Rashehe Rashyantaram, from one Rashi he moves on to another Rashi. So after 3 months there is an equinox, which is the vernal equinox. The same you have the autumnal equinox also, wherein the days, the day and the night have equal time. So ayanasya uttarasya adav makaram yati bhaskaraha tataha kumbham cha meenam cha rashehe rashyantaram dvija. Trishu eteshu atha bhukteshu tato vaishuvatim gatim prayati savita kurvan ahoratram tatas samam. Then he makes both the day and night equal. Tataha ahoratram samam kurvan savita prayati. The sun moves after enjoying these 3 months. After enjoying Makara, Kumbha and Meenam, he takes on a gati called Vaishuvati gati, and he, as he moves, there is an equinox there. Equinox, na, equal time for both the day and the night. Otherwise, in each gati, there is a lesser days, more longer nights, longer days, shorter nights. So you also have the solstice, which is winter solstice and summer solstice. Adu vandu wherein the longest day and the shortest night. The shortest day and the longest night. Adu thani. That is different. So tataha ratrihi kshayam yati. From that equinox, ratrihi kshayam yati, you have longer days. So as spring approaches, vasanta rituho agamanat tatra grishma rituhu bhavati, tasmat all of the days start becoming longer and longer, and your nights are shortened. So ratrihi kshayam yati vardhate anudinam dinam. Even today, wherever you are in the world, actually it is very visible here in the US more than anywhere else, you will find it increases or decreases by 1 minute. That is the sunset and sunrise times. So you will very clearly see the time increasing, and then from the solstice it will start decreasing. So equinox it will start decreasing. So that there will be one day wherein both the day and the night are the same. Tatascha mithunasya ante param kashtam upagataha. Mithunam, adadu kumbham, meenam, adukapram mesham, rishabham, mithunam. At the end of mithuna, param kashtam upagataha. That is the end of Uttarayana. So from mithunam, from as he enters into Karkata Rashi, the Dakshinayana starts. Rashim Karkatam Prapya Kurute Dakshinayanam. That is the Dakshinayanam which starts. The end of Dakshinayanam is our Margari, Mrigashirsha, Masana, Margashirshoham. That becomes the Brahma Muhurtam for Devas. That is why Bhagavan calls himself as Masana, Margashirshoham iti Gitayam. ततश्च मिथुनस्य अन्ते at the end of मिथुन राशि परां काष्ठाम् उपागतः रविः सूर्यः as he enters into the pinnacle, that is he enters to the end of his journey उत्तरायणं राशिं कर्कटं प्राप्य he enters into कर्कट राशि दक्षिणायनं कुरुते, he starts on the दक्षिणायन कुलालचक्र पर्यन्तः यथा शीघ्रं प्रवर्तते दक्षिणप्रक्रमे सूर्यः तथा शीघ्रं प्रवर्तते in dakshinam, the next section kulalachakra paryantaha yatha, as one who stands at the end of a kulalachakram, the potter's wheel, shighram pravartate, just as how that corner goes very fast, dakshina prakrame, when surya travels during the summer, tatha shighram pravartate, he also travels very fast. अति वेगितया कालं वायुवेग बलात् चरन् तस्मात् प्रकृष्टां भूमिं तु कालेन अल्पेन गच्छति. He moves very quickly. Actually it is all very similar only. There is no quick movement. The quick movement and is based on the time that he has during the day and during the night. That's what it is. So ati vegitaya kalam vayuvega balat, having the speed of vayu vegam tasya balat, because of that ati vegitaya surya also moves very fast, kalam charan, he spends the time very quickly, prakrishtam bhumim tu kalena alpena gacchati, he also enters prakrishtam bhumim ngarche inga vandu उत्कृष्ट मार्गेण गच्छति इत्येव तत्र स्वस्यैव प्रकृष्टां भूमिं उत्कृष्ट मार्गं, so he reaches his goal within a very short time. सूर्यो द्वादशभिः शैघ्र्यान् मुहूर्ते दक्षिणायने त्रयोदश अर्धं वृक्षाणाम् अह्नातु चरति द्विज मुहूर्तैस्तावद् वृक्षाणि नक्तम् अष्टादशैः चरन्. So the nights seem slow, takes a longer time, and your இது I think அந்த மிதுனத்துக்கு அப்புறம் வர்றது தட்சிணாயனம் ஆரம்பிக்கும் பொழுது இல்லையா, त्रयोदश द्वादशभिः मुहूर्ते शैघ्र्यान् दक्षिणायने मुहूर्ते सूर्यः द्वादशभिः शैघ्र्यान् ஒரு நிமிஷம் शीघ्र गच्छன்னு நினைக்கிறேன், शैघ्र्यம்னா ஸோ இதெல்லாம் வந்து கொஞ்சம் வெரி கன்ஃபியூசிங். இது பார்க்க ஒரு தடவையும் நான் கீப் லுக்கிங் அட் த வியாக்கியானம், பட் மனசுலேயே நிற்க மாட்டேங்கிறது, அதில் புத்தி போகலை, வேற ஒன்றும் இல்லை. இஃப் யூ ஆர் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டட் இன் ஜோதிஷம் இதெல்லாம் வந்து குயிக்காக மைண்டில் வந்து நிற்கும். What does he say? Arikshanam trayodasha ardham sardha trayodasha nakshatra upalakshitam jyotihi chakrardham tavat rikshani sardha trayodasha nakshatrani naktam ratrau ashtadashabhihi charan. So he travels through the 27 nakshatras irukilya, those constellations, he travels through them, and as he travels through those constellations, he goes through 13, he takes 18 muhurtas to cross 13 and a half nakshatras during night, but the same 12 nakshatras, he has to cross 12 nakshatras, but he does that within 13 muhurtas இல்லையா? ஆமா, sorry, द्वादशभिः मुहूर्तैः 12 muhurtas, you take it as muhurtaiः instead of muhurte. द्वादशभिः मुहूर्ते இந்த இடத்துல முகூர்த்தைன்னு போட்டுக்கிறது பெட்டர். ஆமாம், அதுதான் இன்னொரு ரீடிங் இருக்குது. ஸோ द्वादशभिः मुहूर्तैः शैघ्र्यान् त्रयोदशार्धं वृक्षाणाम् अह्ना चरति. ஓகே, சாரி, இப்போ வந்துடுது. 13 நட்சத்திரம் 12 முகூர்த்தத்தில் தாண்டான், அதான் அங்கே பாயிண்ட். அது வந்து டியூரிங் த டே டைம். ஸோ அன்ஹா டியூரிங் த டே டைம் துவாதசபிஹி within just 12 muhurtas he is able to cross through 13.5 constellations rikshana, whereas तावत् मुहूर्तैः रिक्षाणि अष्टादशैः नक्तं, sorry, तावत् रिक्षाणि, the same amount of nakshatras he is taking 18 muhurtas during night. Okay, yeah. Suryo dvadashabhihi.
But that is only in Dakshinayana.
ஆமாம், தட்சிணாயனத்துல தான். The opposite will happen during உத்தராயணம் because the days are shorter. இல்லையா? அந்த மாதிரி வரும் உங்களுக்கு. days are longer. ஏதோ ஆமா, something like that happens.
இல்ல ஆமா, தட்சிணாயனம் days are shorter.
ஆமா. So உத்தராயணம் the days are longer. That is what he will flip this. It will take 18 muhurtas to travel during the day and then 12 muhurtas for the night. அப்படி மாறும். So Suryo dvadashabhihi shaigryan muhurtaihi dakshinayane trayodasha ardham vrikshanam annhatu charati dvija muhurtaihi tavat rikshani tavad rikshani ashtadashaihi muhurtaihi naktam charan charati suryaha charati. Main sentence. So Surya moves in this manner. Kulala chakra madhyastha yatha mandam
maybe that is
prasarpati.
why Suryan is friendly to certain nakshatram, certain idu mari solluva illaya. I don't know, maybe that is why.
Nakshatram illa, ராசிக்கு தான் அவர் அதிபதியை பொறுத்து இருக்கு.
Correct.
It depends on when he is strong, weak, அதெல்லாம் எந்த ராசியில அவருக்கு வந்து பலம் இருக்கு, எதுல நீச்சன், அதெல்லாம் டிஃப்ரெண்ட். அது சயின்ஸே அது வேற மாதிரி இருக்கும். कुलाल चक्र मध्यस्थः यथा मंदम प्रसर्पति तथा उदग अयने सूर्यः सर्पते. उदग अयने अगेन उत्तरायणे सूर्यः मंदविक्रमः. in a winter time only, adunala his presence is very mandam there, so he is also moving very slowly. So mandavikramah sarpate mandam prasarpati yatha kaschana kulala chakra madhyastha. In a wheel, if someone is as close to the stambam, to the axle, then there is no movement there at all, or very less movement. Tasmat dirghena kalena bhumim alpam tu gacchati. Even though the bhumi portion, he moves he traverses through very less of the bhumi portion, but takes a longer time. Ashtadasha muhurtam yat uttarayana paschimam ahar bhavati tacchapi charate manda vikramaha. So uttarayana paschimam, at the you take it reverse அப்படிங்கிறார். பஸ்டிமம்னா இந்த இடத்துல you take it as a reverse for uttarayanam, wherein he takes 18 muhurtas to traverse through a small portion of this bhumi. So the ahar becomes 18 muhurtas. Okay. 35 उत्तरायणे paschimam antyam dinam. So at the end of the uttarayana day, it is the longest day and the shortest night. Summer solstice ங்கறோம்ல, அத தான் இங்க சொல்றார். சோ இதோட நிறுத்திப்போம் கொஞ்சம். இதுக்கு நாராயணம் நமஸ்கிருத்ய நரஞ்சைவ நரோத்தமம் தேவீம் சரஸ்வதீம் வாசம் ததோ ஜெயமுதீரயேத்.